Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view the moon and Mars in Google Earth Pro. So in order to do this, first of all open your PC and navigate to Google Earth Pro. Make sure you have installed the app to do this. After navigating to Google Earth Pro, you will see this dashboard. At default you'll be able to see your Earth and zoom into any part of Earth. Now in order to view the moon or Mars, you'll have to click on this icon, that is this small planet icon through which you can switch between Earth, sky and other planets. So first of all we are going to view Mars. So I will choose Mars, and as you can see I'm easily able to view a 3D image of Mars. Now I will simply zoom in on any part of Mars, and for example I will click here and it will show the details of this specific image, that this image was taken by high resolution imaging science experiment camera on board NASA's Mars spacecraft. So the observation ID, image, location and date for this image will be shown just right here. You can view on the surface of Mars pretty easily by doing this. So we just viewed Mars on Google Earth Pro. Now we'll click on this small icon again and choose Moon. Now, as you can see, an image of moon is on our desktop. Now I can easily zoom in, click on any point, and the feature type, name, location and size will be shown on that point. You can also click on any point and see the description for that point, as it says Luna 7. Here, the Luna 7 spacecraft was intended to achieve a soft landing on the moon. However, due to loss of altitude control during the final approach, the spacecraft impacted the surface at high velocity. That means Luna 7 landed here. So you can zoom out and see the moon pretty easily just by doing this. And you can also see a sky. Now when you choose a sky, you will see an image of the whole universe or the sky by doing this. So that is the simple way through which you can view the moon and Mars in Google Earth Pro. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.